In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Databox to Notion. This integration allows you to seamlessly combine your data visualization needs with your organization tools, creating a more streamlined workflow. So, let's dive right in and learn how you can make your data more accessible in Notion. First things first, you'll need to open the Databox dashboard you'd like to integrate with Notion. This step sets the stage for everything else, and it's crucial that you're on the right dashboard so that the data aligns perfectly with your Notion workspace. Once you're on the correct dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the data presented. This can give you a clearer picture of how to organize it once it's inside Notion. Now, let's access the embed code. Look towards the top right corner of your Databox dashboard. You'll notice a share icon nestled there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up the sharing options. Once you click, a menu will appear, and you'll need to switch over to the Embed tab. This tab is dedicated to helping you create links that can integrate with other platforms, and it's the key to bridging Databox with Notion. Here, you'll be provided with an embed code. Be sure to click the copy button. Having this code copied correctly is crucial because this is what you'll use to implement the dashboard in Notion. Next, it's time to head over to Notion. Open up your Notion workspace where you want to incorporate your Databox data. Within Notion, you'll want to create a new block. This process is simple. Just type the / followed by the word embed. Notion will recognize this as a command to generate an embed block within your page. After you've set up the embed block, paste the embed code you copied from Databox into this block. It's essential to ensure the code is pasted accurately. Otherwise, the integration won't work as expected. Now, for the final touch in this process, press Enter. By doing this, you prompt Notion to embed your Databox dashboard. If everything has been done correctly, you'll see your Databox data displayed neatly within your Notion page, fully interactive and ready for you to use. Embedding Databox into Notion can enhance your productivity by keeping all your necessary data at your fingertips, right alongside your plans and projects. As you get comfortable with this integration, you'll likely find yourself more adept at creating intuitive, data-driven decisions without the hassle of switching back and forth between applications. And there you have it. By simply opening your Databox dashboard, accessing the embed code, and integrating it within Notion, you've created an effective workspace that combines data analytics and organizational prowess. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more productivity tips.